Good morning students. Hope you all are well. In the previous video we had studied about closure property, commutative property and associative property. Now our next one is distributive property. Distributive property same. Here I am taking three rational numbers a upon b multiply by in the bracket c upon d plus e upon f. Here three rational numbers are there a upon b multiply by c upon d plus e upon d and bracket will close. So first a upon b multiply by this number and a upon b multiply by this rational number. So how will you write? A upon b multiply by c upon d plus a upon b multiply by e upon a. These are the distributive property in addition condition. These are the distributive property in addition condition. Mostly questions show in this form and we have to attempt in that form. क्वेश्चन आपको इस फॉर्म में दिया जाता है, आपको इस फॉर्म में उसको सॉल्व करना रहता है. सब्ट्रैक्शन की कंडीशन में क्या होगा? इन द कंडीशन ऑफ सब्ट्रैक्शन a upon b multiply by bracket only this sign will be changed. c upon d minus e upon f is equals to a upon b multiply by c upon d minus a upon b multiply by e upon f. These are the distributive property of addition and subtraction. Now our next property is multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse means if a upon b is any rational number, so its multiplicative inverse will be b upon a. b upon a means the reciprocal of that rational number. पहले वाले नंबर का reciprocal. You know what is the meaning of reciprocal? Reciprocal means numerator will be denominator and denominator will be numerator. So if a upon b is a rational number, so its multiplicative inverse. So its multiplicative inverse will be b upon a. आपको क्वेश्चन कैसा आता है? Find the multiplicative inverse of 2 by 3. What is your answer? 3 by 2. 1 by, find the multiplicative inverse of 1 by 7. So your answer is 7 upon 1. So what is the identity of multiplicative inverse? Multiplicative inverse is equals to a upon b multiply by b upon a is equals to 1. A से a cancel, b से b cancel. So the identity of multiplicative inverse is a upon b multiply by b upon a is equals to 1. Normally हमको माइंड में क्या रखना है? If your question is coming, find the multiplicative inverse of a upon b. So just reciprocal p upon a. Now our next property is additive inverse. Additive inverse means if a upon b is a rational number, so its additive inverse will be minus a upon b. Only sign will be changed. Positive का negative. And if minus p upon q is a rational number, so its additive inverse will be p upon q. In the condition of additive inverse, only sign will be changed. Positive rational number will be negative and negative will be positive. Question आपको आता है find the additive inverse of 2 by 3. क्या होगा 2 by 3 का additive inverse? 2 by 3 is a positive rational number, so minus 2 by 3. Next one is find the additive inverse of -7/9. टेल मी -7/9 का एडिटिव इनवर्स क्या होगा? +7/9. We will not show the plus sign, so we will write 7/9. So what is the additive inverse identity? Additive inverse is equals to A/B plus minus A/B. A/B is a rational number. Minus A/B means additive inverse. So your answer will 0. A/B plus minus A/B is equals to 0. आपको सिर्फ इतना ध्यान में रखना है. If question find the additive inverse, so additive in the condition of additive inverse, only sign will be changed. Negative will be positive, positive will be negative.